So hi, I'm Danish from Stellar Waves. So today, I'm going to teach you guys the basic fundamentals that you guys need to know when you guys use DAW, which is digital audio workstation. So let's get right to it. So first is BPM. BPM is basically or literally a tempo of your songs. So the meaning of BPM is beats per minute. So the higher your BPM is, so the higher the tempo of your song lah. So I will show you in the FL Studio. As you guys can see right here, I have like 163 BPM. So it's currently quite fast for tempo. As you guys hear so a BPM is like how many times the tick will be ticking in a minute. So for instance, I right now use a 163 BPM, so the sound of the will be ticking for 163 times for a minute. So basically like riding a car. Yeah. So the higher you set your BPM, so the faster your song will be lah. If you want to make a lo-fi music, you should go under 100. So maybe like 92, 93. But for now, I like my tempo, I should set on 163 lah. Okay. After you guys know the tempo, so sekarang I will show you guys the FL Studio user interface. So let's go into FL Studio. So first you have is the arrangement of your songs right here. As you guys can see at the top button, we have pattern, PAT for pattern, and is for song lah. Song, whatever you play in your song, play in this channel. So for instance, I have this kick right here. This kick right here. Now I want to put this kick into my song, so I have to put my kick lah. So this is the song pattern. Second is the piano roll. So in piano roll, we can arrange or design what sound suits you the best or whatever you want to put in your sound. So basically, if I want to put this kick right here, I want to put it triplet right here. It will be like this. So in here we have controls. So we have panning for left and right panning, and velocity is the loudness of your kick. So you can adjust it to make your sounds unique right here. Next is the channel rack. You can design your drums in piano roll and in channel rack also. But for melody, you guys need to do in piano roll. For channel rack, you can design your drums arrangement. So for instance, I want to put my clap here, and I want to put my clap here. So let's see how it sounds. We can also put heads. That is channel rack. Next is a mixer. So like Timberland said, the best producer or the best mixing engineer is know how to label your sounds. So for this part is very important. As you guys can see here, you can adjust your velocity or put some effects in each of your sounds. So for instance, at this channel rack, we have these numbers at the left side. For instance, we have clap at 2, hi-hat at 3, and kick at, I put it at 1. So I can adjust the volume of the kick right. Whatever suits your ear. trust your ear in mixing. Slowly train your ear because your ear is very important in mixing the songs. So that is the user interface for FL Studio that you guys need to know in order to you guys get familiar with FL Studio. So next is shortcut. We have a lot of shortcuts in FL Studio, but I only teach you guys maybe 3 shortcuts for basics users. So first is duplicate or copy. So for instance, we have this pattern, but if we export this, it will only be 2 seconds long. So in order you guys to make it like 1 minute long or 2 minute long, just like song, because this is song arrangement, you guys can press this, or you guys can press the other part, or the easiest one is you guys can just press this. Press Ctrl B for Windows and Command B for Mac users. So press Ctrl B. Yeah. It will duplicate. So you guys now have continuous pattern. Or you guys can right click to delete your songs. So maybe delete some of pattern you guys didn't want. Just right click. If you guys want to duplicate again, you can use Ctrl D. So this is for song arrangement. Next is for piano roll shortcuts. For instance, right, I want to make the hi-hats go fast. We can use, press this hi-hats, to 2-step hi-hat. But I want to make the hi-hats go. So you guys can panjang the melody and press this part and then press Alt A. So you guys can adjust the time simulation and you guys. This is one of the best thing about FL. You guys can simplify the things that you guys want to do and make your sounds unique. So yeah, so that is more shortcut for FL Studio. After everything that I've teach you guys in FL Studio, so you guys boleh lah, get familiar with the apps. Try yourself first, and then before we get into the interesting part, which is making beats for beginner. So stay tuned for Stellar Waves updates. And if you guys haven't watched our last video, you guys can click right here to watch our podcast. Quite interesting podcast, you guys can watch it. And stay tuned for Stellar Waves updates. Bye.